How to get Telegram members and make money. There are different ways to grow your Telegram channel and monetize it. In this video, I'll teach you the simple ways to grow your channel organically and make money out of it. Based on the feedback we had from our previous video, how to make money from Telegram, we decided to make this video for you. Watch this video to the end and you'll discover the simple ways to grow your Telegram channel and make money. We want to assume that you already have a Telegram channel with a good name, a good description, and you are providing a good content. This will help you grow your channel, as this also helps in the search engine optimization of your channel. People are looking for good content, and people do look out for what your content provides. So giving a good description of your channel is a good way and a great way to grow your channel membership. Let's move straight to the point whilst we've taken this out of way. Number 1, share your channel with family and friends. This is the good way to get real and the nice people who will give you good feedback. Family and friends are the people who will tell you the truth. So share your link, share your channel, or invite family and friends to join your channel. This will help you get your first 100, your first 200, or even your first 1,000 channel membership. And this will also help you get genuine feedback with the content that you provide. Don't be shy to share with your friends. Don't be shy to share with your family. Once you are providing or once you are giving value to your group members, then your friends and family will also be interested in this. Whilst you invite your family and friends, they also invite their friends. They also share with their friends. They also share in their groups. And this will help you grow your channel organically. Since your friends and family are not bots, you are getting real people in your channel. People who you know will contribute to the content that you provide. People who will give you the real feedback you need to make money. When you give value to people, business follows. So keep this in mind. The people that you have in your channel are the ones who will make you money. So invite your friends, share with your friends, let them also share with their friends. Share with your family, let them also share with their friends. And this will give you your first 100 and genuine members in your channel. Number 2, promote on social media. Yes, you want to do business where people are. You want to send your channel to where the traffic is. Now the traffic is on social media. That is where the real people are. Everyone is on social media now. And when I talk about social media, I don't mean only Facebook. There are different social media platforms. Quora is there. We have Instagram. We have Twitter. There are so many places that you can share when it comes to social media. Pinterest is there. Share your content in the form of images and add your channel as a source. Share that good content that you want to provide, that value you want to provide in your niche. Share it in groups. Look out for groups that are in your niche, groups that are in line with the content that you provide. Share your link there. Share, contribute to discussions, and then share your link. What is against the rule is to spam groups. But once you are contributing to discussions and telling them the source of your information, people will want to know more. And so they will click on your link and join your Telegram group and ask for more. And once people come to enjoy good content, they will also share with others, and you'll be growing your channel. So share, promote it on social media. If you don't have any social media account, get some now. You can share on WhatsApp, you can share on Facebook, share on Instagram, share on Twitter, share in other groups. So this is the second way to make your channel grow. Grow your Telegram channel, and this will be a cash cow for you. Number 3, cross promote. Cross promote your channel. When I say cross promote, I don't mean spam other channels or spam other groups. You can contact other channel or group administrators, tell them about your channel and how you want them to help you promote it. You can also contribute to growing theirs, and they'll also contribute in growing yours. That is what cross promotion is all about. Don't spam groups. Speak to administrators, and then they will help you cross promote. Basically, it is very important to have some initial members, so that when you speak to other channel administrators, they will be interested to help you cross promote your channel. So if you have, say, 2,000 members, this will be a good start. That is why we've given you point 1 and 2. When you share with your friends and family and you get your initial 100, 200, 300, and you promote it on social media and you get your 500,000, then other channel members will have confidence in your channel, and then they will be ready to help cross promote your channel. This is a good way to grow your channel organically. Number 4, paid advertisements. Paid advertisement. This is also very important. Buy ads and post your channel or group link. There are some big channels who will be ready to accept something small and promote your channel for you. You can also use other social media advertisement. You can use Facebook ads, you can use Google ads. Since you want to use your Telegram channel as a business source, you should be ready to pay for something small to get genuine members, to get human beings, not bots, in your channel. And this will help you grow your channel and help you build a business around your Telegram channel or your Telegram group. So be ready to pay something small for advertisement so that you can get people in your Telegram channel or group. You need to research before getting paid advertisement. There are so many fake ones out there, but there are good ones also. What you should pay attention to is the size of the channel. What is the size? You don't want to give money to a channel administrator whose membership is even less than yours or at the same level. No, look out for the huge ones. Research and you'll find them. Number 5, buy membership. Buy membership. So there are so many service providers who give real Telegram members. They sell real Telegram group membership. Look out for those real ones. But there are people who promise but they deliver bots. So what you need to do is to test with a small amount and see. If those members are active, then you know that you are in for a good deal. This will also help you grow. But the most preferred ones that I will recommend is to do the points 1 to 4. Points 1 to 4, as this will help you grow organically. So far, if you haven't valued from this video, do well to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our videos. Number 6, provide good content. Provide good content. It is good to give value to your group members. The first 5 people who have joined your Telegram group, the first 10 people, the first 100 people, those your family and your friends who are in your group, give them good content. Give them interesting content, quality content, and they will be the ones who will share your group or your Telegram link with others to come and join. So this is very important. Make sure you optimize your channel icon. You give it a good description that depicts the content that you are giving. Don't do clickbait. Don't give a good description and you are not providing a good content. A quality description should match a quality content. A good channel name must match the description and the content you provide. You can also check up on our video how to make money on Telegram. You will enjoy it. Subscribe to our channel as we have so many good content on our channel. You will enjoy it. There are so many ways to grow your Telegram channel. Subscribe to our channel, share, and want to hear from you in the comment section. Put your questions there, put your contributions there. We want to hear from you. Thank you for watching.